Now in this next question, it is asking gate 95. They are giving the full address. They are not just saying the page number, they are giving the full address, and then they are saying that in every page 100 records are present, right? So if 100 records are present in every page and they are referring one of the record, then you are supposed to get the page number first. See, if the address of the record is 0100, right? And if 100, and these are all decimal addresses, decimal numbers, right? Decimal numbers, and if the size of the page is 100 records, then what is the page number for this? The page number will be 01. So that is what is important. So here, so whenever you are trying to solve such a question, right? So what is that they are trying to say is they are giving you a decimal number, and now this decimal number is representing the entire address, and you have to convert the decimal number into page number. So that how to convert it, that depends on what the size of the page is, right? So here they are saying that 100 records are present in the page, and they are trying to refer one of the records, right? So now and one more interesting thing is they have only one free main memory frame. So there is only one main memory frame and not 3 or 4. So it is interesting now. So let's first convert this into reference string, which means the what are the pages they need. First let's convert it. So if you look at that, this one is referring to page number 1, 0100. Therefore the first one is 01, and the next one is 02, and the next one is 04, and the next one is again 04, and the next one is 05, and the next one is again 05, 05, 3 05s if you watch it, 05, 05, 05, right, and 2 04s, and next one is again 01, and the next one is 02, 02, 02, 3 02s, and the next one is 03 and 03, right? So these are all the reference, these are all the page numbers which they are trying to refer, and they are saying that there is only one frame available. When we have only one frame available, right, so there is no way you have a choice. See, page replacement algorithms are different in the way when they have many choices to make, they are different in the way which choice they make. And when you have only one choice, see, if you have only one frame, then there will be only one page in the main memory, right? And there is no other choice, you have to definitely replace it. So page replacement algorithms will be different, or they will produce different results in case they have the choice. But here there is no choice. Every page replacement algorithm has to replace that only existing page. So what I mean to say is, since they have only one frame, right, initially let us say it is taking the page number 101, right, and next if it is everything is having zeros, right, so we need not use the zeros just to keep the thing simple. So initially they want page number 1, so page number 1 will be loaded, and next they want page number 2, right? So when they want page number 2, there is only one choice to replace, right? So either you use LRU or you use optimal or FIFO, everything has to replace only one. So all these algorithms differ only when we have choices, but here there is no choice. So every algorithm is going to give the same result, and one is going to be replaced with 2, right? And now next one is 4 is required, therefore 2 has to be replaced with 4, right? And then 1 is replaced, and then 2 is replaced, and then 4, and then next again 4 is required, so 4 is there, and next again 5 is required, so it has to be replaced with 5, and again 5 is required, 5 is already there, and 5 is required, 5 is already there, and what about next one? 1 is required, so replace it with 1, and again 2 is required, so replace it with 2. 2 is required is there, 2 is required is there, and next 3 is required, so replace it with 3, 3 is required, 3 is already there, right? Fine. Now if you watch it, how many misses are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is miss or page fault. Page fault is 7, right? How many references are totally made? If you watch it, the total number of references made is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So out of 13 references, 7 are miss, right? So therefore this is the miss rate. miss rate or page fault rate. Page fault rate. So they might even ask you a question like this: what is the page fault rate or miss rate? You compute what is the total references, and out of these total references you compute how many are missed, and that is called as miss rate or page fault rate. So in case if you are wondering about what is the hit rate, then hit rate is 1 minus miss rate, right? So what is this? In this case it is, I think, 8 divided by, I think 6 divided by 13. It is the hit rate and it is the miss rate. Got it? So in this case you need not evaluate using all the algorithms. So you please look at the question given in 1995. Even they didn't mention about any algorithm. They just asked what is the number of page faults. So they didn't mention about any algorithm. It is not required. There is no choice, isn't it? Okay.